I just got an appraisal and I got it done. We got the car here, and I'll show you what I got. So I would like to start this off by saying that I will not be taking this Carmax appraisal offer because it is obviously a little bit lower than I was willing to sell this beautiful naturally aspirated E63 at. But useful things that did come out of this are learning about the Carmax warranty. So if you buy any of these AMGs or Carmax cars, you can extend the manufacturer's warranty under Carmax, and you can save a lot more money when it comes time to service this car. We just had about a $2,200 service on this car, which this appraisal obviously would not account for. It's actually better because then you can just get it serviced at your local dealership and save a lot more cash. So pretty obviously that is not good. The offer is about 25% below average market value. So we are going to keep the car and we're going to try and sell it on some other services, maybe rent or bring a trailer, which is a great new service online where you can sell your car at auction, or just private listing. We can earn 20 to 40% more actually than that price was showing us, even though it's high mileage. Stay tuned for more and we will get back to you with all of our updates.